actually isn't like the best song to dance to, but you can sing along again because you guys sing so well. I like to change up my songs a little bit, the way that they sound, and just because you play them so many times, I want to keep it fresh, and I want to keep it fresh for you guys. So I really want to hear you guys sing this one. Before I fall to rest, kiss me quick, make it last, so I can see how badly this will hurt me when you say goodbye. Keep it sweet, keep it slow, let the future pass, and don't child running scared from the ground. I'm terrified of what you do. My stomach screams just when I look at you. From far away, so I can breathe. Even though you're far from suffocating me, I can't set my hopes to into goodbye.